KUMAR Valana Luchingduna State Ashi Dasu Kargil Vijay Diwas MSFDS ki Auditorium Hall da Pangthokkhre Kumja lising amga chamapan maudrama pan Kargil gi lanfam da thawai katkraba Indian Armed Force amadi Manipur ki athoba taret ki mafam da ikai khumna ba utki loinana thoram maduda DGP Rajib Singh Senior Official Armed Force Personnel amadi war adugi veteran Singh su sarukya ki thoram ga mari leinana Governor AJAY Kumar Valana hai Laingak Armed Force Sing amadi Civil Society punsinduna Manipur da ing tappa purakpa ngamgani ethnic violence asida miyoi lising kaya mayum thadokuna lanjena duna leiri masida laingak na paikhatpa yaba step sing lokhatuna ing tappa purakna ba hotnari security force sing asu joint operation chathaduna khutlai amadi maru sing kaya tha khara asida lokhatpa amadi fagatpa lepa leitri loinana Manipur police nasu anti extortion cell hangdoktuna miyam gi complaint tanaba amadi unlawful oiba demand sing degi miyam bukanna ba hotnari checkpoint kaya amasu chingi amadi tampaki district singda hangdokli Mitei Naga amadi Kuki Jogi CSO Singi Marakta dialogue chathaduna safety guarantee tawba ngamna ba hotnari haina wafam sing thamki loinana Kargil war da thawai kat khraba singi thawna matam pumbada ningsingduna lehuragani haina su phongdokhi.
While standing in solidarity with the families of those who have lost their lives while defending our country, I would also like to salute the brave soldiers of India who have sacrificed their lives in protecting our motherland. The dedication and service to the nation by our brave Manipuri soldier Deepak Chinkakham of the 7th Battalion BSF will always be remembered with pride. As a recognition of his supreme sacrifice for the nation, the government of Manipur has approved the appointment of his younger brother Chinkakham Nawaba Singh as an assistant sub-inspector in the police. In the ethnic violence in the state of Manipur, many have lost their lives and thousands have been internally displaced. The government has taken various steps to solve the crisis and restoring peace and confidence. The joint operation of combined team of state police, armed forces has been able to recover numerous arms and ammunitions over the past few months. The state has been returning to peace and normalcy with the collaborative efforts of the government, armed forces, and civil society organizations.